What is up, guys? This is your host Solefly Sector checking in for another video. Hope you guys doing well, being safe, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys are having a Solefly day today. So just by me rocking my little Iron Man there, you know, he's gonna do the little, and it'll be all ending, you know, taking that chance. And that's what we're doing today. We're taking that big chance, taking that big unboxing, tackling the big unboxing for today's video. When I mean big unboxing, this is what I mean. Right there, if you guys don't know what that is the Off-white sign there. And we're unboxing a pair of Off-white sneakers for the first time on this channel, but we're kind of opening the poor man's Off-white. The like model is really unique and all that, and we first seen Virgil Abloh, the CEO of Off-white. I just remember seeing them on his feed, and I was really interested about that shoe because it was really unique. And you guys know I like the unique stuff and all that. Me gustan estos zapatos that I will unbox for today. Man, I can't wait to get into this, but I want to give a big thank you to Soul Steals for making this purchase happen, because I've been wanting this model of Off-white for quite some time when they first released, but obviously we take the L's on those all the time, but it is what it is. But at least I have a pair of them now, so let's get right into it, man. So we got our gloves right here, and we got our knife right here. Be careful with knife, kids out there. Let's get right into it right now. So they just arrived today. Right here, let's get right into it. Hand sanitizer, you know. Okay, aquí están los zapatos. All right, aquí están the box of los zapatos. You guys know. So I decided to pick up a size 11.5 women's, and in men's is a size 10 right there, as it says right there. Something that I would rock because it kind of looks like a gym shoe. So by that means, let's open these right now. Ooh, orange box, the little holes there. Ooh, and here they are. Woohoo, man, can't believe I finally have a pair of these. So these are the Terra Kiger Off-white here. really unique shoe. Has that oh so famous hang tag there, and it has like, I don't know if you could see, but this hang tag has like that nubuck suede on there, which is something that I did not know. And we did get the black and pink bottom pair. Off-white, oof. I can't wait to rock and shock these for the on feet. Stay tuned. Has the double lace system there that has on all the Dunk Off-whites and the like waffle racers and like stuff like that. So has a silver swoosh there, and it has the Off-white letters coming across there, and right there is just a little white swoosh there. Man, finally have a pair of these. I've been looking for these Terra Kigers, and the bottoms are kind of like that golf shoe vibe, or like, I don't know. Yeah, I think like like a track and field type of shoe vibe there. But a lot of people said that you could take these little spikes there off, and some people wear these casually and wear them for like hiking and stuff, but the materials on these is pretty nice. Has good suede there, around the black, around the toe cap right there, the double lace system there, rope laces and the flat laces there, and the white Nike Air right there. Off-white for Nike, it says there. Oregon, USA. Wow. Yeah, I love that touch, with the suede there. It's pretty cool. Really unique sneaker. These might be added in my ugly sneakers. If you guys don't know, I did make a ugly sneaker top 10 list in my collection on that list. So, and I will be doing on feet, so just watch. These I would probably wear with like a good nice slim jeans, slim fit jeans, and I think they'll look good. A lot of people will probably make fun of me for buying these and wearing these, but it is what I like, so why not? And I do think these are a Solefly pair of sneakers here. Estos están bien chidos, hot Cheetos, Me gustan mucho porque están estilo, están bien bonitos para mí mismo. Si no te sabes nada, está bien. Está bien conmigo. And they did get this from StockX themselves. Shout out to StockX too. Thank you Soul Steels for making this happen. I finally got my Terra Kigers in my collection. A lot of people did like them, and some people didn't, and I think a lot more people didn't like these than the people that do will like these, but it is what it is. These are the Terra Kiger Off-whites right here. I finally have my first off-white right here. It's about that time. But who knows? Maybe down the line I will have the other off-whites that everybody loves, and I do love as well, but they're just out of my price range, so that's just how it is. There it is. So I hope you guys enjoy this fast unboxing, sort of, and I hope you guys have a Solefly day today. And please, if you're new, leave a like on this video. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll be leaving that up on the screen, you know, down, like up there and down below and all that. So, and in the description as well, I'll be linking that down below. So please leave a comment about whatever you want. Doesn't matter. Whatever you want. Tell me if these are cool. Tell me if these are so fly and all that. If not, it is what it is, because I do expect that as well. So it is what it is. So, and please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for future videos that will be coming your way. So, and my name's Solefly Sector, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Vámonos.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys.